Everyone. Today we are going to see what is Scratch and how it can help you to earn money. You can see this cat here, and if you can click on this go button, it moves and it says, "Welcome to TED Kids." Yeah, that's what it is. Welcome to TED Kids. And today we are going to see how you can earn $3,000 per month teaching Scratch programming online. You can visit tedkids.com and you can learn about more. I will give you a brief understanding of what is Scratch programming and how we can learn and how we can earn money out of it. So as you can see in this article, I have talked about the opportunities that are available. When you go to teacheron.com, you will find people are looking out for Scratch programming tutors and they are ready to pay $7, $27, and $15. So if you can teach for 8 hours a day, that can make you $120. And in a month, you can earn $3,600. So there are also part-time jobs which are available in different sites. And for example, one of the site is code.org, which provides a lot of opportunities for teaching. And online coding is something that people are looking out for. So if you go to code.org, you will find a lot of people are looking out for the Scratch programming. Here you will learn about why you need to learn Scratch programming and what are the ways that you can learn one of the basic block programmings. Coming back to the opportunities, you can also visit codepano.com where they are looking out for, you can click on the careers, you can find Scratch trainers, they are looking out for Scratch trainers. And they are also looking out for Python trainers and Java trainers. If you want to learn Scratch programming, I can help you on that. I teach Scratch programming, Python programming, and Perl programming as well. So if you want to learn, you can reach out to me.